Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the hardware. Put the Apple Watch on snug so the back sensor reads your pulse reliably. On your iPhone, open health and confirm fitness tracking and heart rate permissions are allowed. This lets Vo2max be calculated. Once done, make sure both devices are updated and connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Without updates, the algorithms may not run. Now, tap the workout app on the watch and choose outdoor walk or run to begin the Vo2max measurement process. You then start the workplace measurement by choosing an outdoor walk or outdoor run workout. Apple uses pace, GPS, and heart rate to estimate Vo2max. Maintain a steady, brisk effort for around 20 minutes so the watch collects enough continuous data. This reduces noise and improves accuracy. While exercising, keep the watch snug and avoid stopping or sudden pace changes. If your route has good GPS reception, the calculation will be stronger. Make sure phone is with you if required for GPS. After your workout, open Health on iPhone and go to the cardiorespiratory fitness section to see Vo2max estimates and trends. This explains the how and why of your score. If no value appears, repeat a steady outdoor workout ensuring GPS and heart rate were captured and permissions were granted. Make sure the watch fit was snug. If problems persist, toggle motion and fitness permissions, restart both devices, or update Watch OS and iOS. These steps often resolve sensor or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.